meja. Kalau kau suka hati pukul meja. Rajin kalau kau suka hati pukul meja. Kalau kau suka hati mari kita ulangi. Kalau kau suka hati teriak hore. Tepuk semangat. Semangat. Gimana Kak? Semangat. Oke.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, come back with me, Sekar Salma. On this occasion, I will introduce one of the early childhood education services in Indonesia, namely is Bimba AIUEO. Yes. One part of AIUEO's Bimba is the process of guiding children's reading interest, which aim to make children's interest feel like to read so as to build a character foundations of reading. Reading activities are the most important part of learning activities. Early childhood education is the level of education before the basic education level, which is a coaching effort so for children from birth to the age of 6, which is carried out through the provision of educational stimuli to help physical and spiritual growth and development, so that the children have readiness to enter further educational, held on formal, non-formal, and informal channels. Of course, education cannot be stopped even during the COVID-19 pandemic. Playing while learning can also be done at home. Established since 1996, has more than 3,000 branches with more than 130,000 students spread throughout Indonesia. Bimba AIUEO Distance Learning Center, or Bimba BLC, specializes in developing reading and learning interests for children aged 3 to 6 years. We accepting new students. There is also a BCA 372 or free grade facility, and try it for free until you are sure. As for Bimba's goal, the first special purpose, an increase in children interest in reading and learning intrinsically. Children want to do reading and learning activities because of their own desires, not because of caution. So that every child feels happy, not bored, which will have an impact on the child's ability. This is the success achieved by the child. And the second general purpose, the entire Bimba family is happy and successful. To grow the character of interest in learning, it is mandatory to do learning that is completely fun. Bimba definition, bimbingan minat baca dan belajar anak. Bimba is a process of building children to have an interest in learning. Bimba paradigms, one's perspective on how to grow children interest in learning from an early age and intrinsically. Benefit of Bimba paradigm. When we understand, believe in the Bimba paradigm, we will feel comfortable and always improve ourselves so that children and adults can feel happy. Bimba philosophy. 1. The goal of human life is happiness. 2. One way to be happy is to study. 3. The fact that many people do not like to study. 4. If so, have the educational goals been achieved? 5. How to be happy to learn. Instill the character of interest in learning. 6. It is necessary to formulate so that the character of children interested in learning can be felt massively. Through a fun guidance process starting at an early age children. This is the origin of the word bimba. Why bimba is not B-I-M-B-A for word process that never exist. The word bimba become bimba as a paradigm to achieve happiness. The specialty of bimba word. 1. By using the word bimba adult with focus on fun learning. 2. With fun learning, children's interest in learning will be born. 3. With an interest in learning, a generation of lifelong independent learners will be born. It turns out that what humans want to achieve is not success but want to achieve happiness. Happiness is a comfortable and peaceful state or feeling free from all troubles. 3 keys to happiness. 1. To believe is to believe in the attributes of God. 2. To do good and with good intention and need. 3. Learn to improve yourself. Happiness. Why? Because happiness is the goal of all human life. Who? All people, especially the Bimba community, learning community. When? Immediately. How? With faith, do good deeds and learn. Study. When? Anytime and anywhere as long as we are still in the world. Why? To be happy because life keeps changing from one problem to the next. By learning, then we will find solution to various problems. Bimba benefits for children. Affective love learning, optimistic spirit and cheerful. His psychomotor likes to practice writing and cognitively able to learn independently. Regarding Bimba's background, that is 1. The method of learning is born. 2. Golden age or critical period. 3. The negative impact of globalization of electronic media. 4. The cost of education is relatively expensive. 5. Low interest in reading and studying in Indonesia. Then there is the Bimba vision and mission. Vision, building a generation of lifelong independent learners. Namely, creating a generation that loves and is happy by learning independently all the time. Vision 1. Socializing the word Bimba. 2. Socializing the importance of growing children's interest in learning from an early age. 3. Guiding, direction and motivating so that children have an interest in learning from an early age. As for method use Bimba AIUEO is the first fun learning. Fun learning is a learning process that is full fun for children. The second, small step system. Small step system is a learning process that is carved out in steps, starting with the easy ones. And third, individual system. Individual system is a learning process centered in the child as the subject study, while the teacher acts as a motivator and facilitator. Ayah, bunda, ayo bimbakan nanda, bimbing, minat, bacaan Nanda. Kita semua harus mengerti Nanda, bukan Nanda harus mengerti kita. Ini yang dinamakan cinta, cinta Ananda. Kita bahagia, semua bahagia. Love child. So that's the presentation about one of the early childhood education services in Indonesia. May be useful. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.